Hi. Sarah?
Okay.
All right.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Can you hold it for like 5 minutes?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. You got it? Go watch your movie, okay? Okay. Hi, I'm Amanda Gardner, mom of a crazy toddler. I do so much better with a crowd of people. Like a whole group of people, 100 people, 100 people. I'm fine. And a camera, yeah. Okay, hi. Hi, I'm Amanda Gardner, and I teach Photo 1 and Photo 2, and Flash, people classes, a variety of fun people-related things. I want to inspire people to enjoy this and have fun with it. I think we tend to take things so seriously. And the one thing that I found about photo is it's always there for you. So you're having a bad day, or you're frustrated, or life's a little crazy, you can put it on hold, but it's always there. And it's the thing that always gives to me emotionally and creatively. It's an outlet, it's freedom, it's 24/7. It's the one thing that is you and the camera and whatever inspires you. And I think that's the beautiful thing about photo is there are so many things that inspire all of us, and it's different. And every photo you take, even if somebody's done something similar, is different, and it's yours, and you can put your mark on it. And at the end of the day, that's really how I want to inspire people in my teaching style, for sure. Everybody should take a class at ASoP. I mean, really, if you're 15 and just starting and the world is new and crazy and exciting visually, you can put your mark on this world. And if you're 80 and you've had an amazing life and you still have a few years left, document and share your experience and see the world through a camera. And I think that's the thing about, a beautiful thing about ASoP is that there are no limitations. There's something for everybody. And I think if you haven't tried it, you should. And I think you'll find home for you, and you'll find what inspires you, for sure. You know, I think this is an amazing place to work, and I think we are surrounded beyond measure by creativity, and I'm inspired every day. So just when I think I've learned something new and I've done all there is to do, I'm challenged. And I think that's the beautiful thing about this place is it will challenge you and push you.